Welcome to our product demonstration entitled What is a Design? In the Elastra Cloud Server, a design is the primary unit that you'll be working with in order to create and deploy your application infrastructure. Now, a design consists of primarily three things: components, connectors, and resources. A component is basically a piece of software. In the case of the system here, we have a web server, a database, and an application server already set up for you to use. Now what I'm going to do right now is create a design that consists of two components, an Apache web server and a WebLogic server. Right now what I'm doing is changing the listen port on the Apache web server, and I'm going to now drag the WebLogic application server onto the design and connect the two components. Now connectors are the second part of a design. Connectors will enable two components to communicate with each other. Now the connector that I've created for these components also has settings that you can customize, and this will depend on the type of connector that is used for these two components. The third and most important step is the allocation of resources. Resources consist of two things: network storage or virtualized machines. This dialog allows you to associate a component with a virtualized resource. And what I'm going to do right now is associate the Apache web server with an EC2 extra large instance. In addition, I'm going to attach the instance to a network. Now what I'm going to do is create a second host, but this time I'm going to deploy the WebLogic application server to the second extra large instance. Another great benefit of the product is the ability to save these designs. Saving the designs gives you the ability to repeat the deployment of this application infrastructure if you choose to deploy to a test or to a dev or eventually to a production environment. Once the design has been saved, it can then be deployed. By allowing you to create reusable designs of your application infrastructure, we give you the power to take tasks that used to take hours and do them in minutes through the use of our automation suite. Thank you for listening. If you're interested in learning more, please contact sales@elastra.com.